part 2 because my other video stopped. Part 2 of the 4th of July fireworks at the Bull Stadium. This is part 2, by the way. Wow.